Welcome back to Can't We All Just Get Along? Some of you will remember an episode from a few months ago on a decision out of the Alameda County Superior Court about deepfake evidence presented by one of the parties. There, Judge Kolakowski noted just how ill-prepared and under-resourced the courts were to handle this growing phenomenon. Well, since then, AI document and video generation has only gotten better. Just in the past week, some of you may have seen an AI-generated video from Seedance with Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise locked in an epic battle over Jeffrey Epstein's death that sent shockwaves for how convincing it appeared. Meanwhile, there's no reason to believe that the courts are meaningfully more prepared than they were 6 months ago to deal with any of this. So that means that, like it or not, it falls to us attorneys to come up with a game plan for addressing this risk. My 2 cents? That game plan is to get really familiar with and diligent about tracing electric documents back to where they were originally created. When a fake document or video can look completely real to the trained eye, and when a document can be edited, re-encoded, or stripped of context, learning to spot deepfakes is a losing game. The play is provenance. Can you show the chain from capture to courtroom? In discovery, that means demanding the native file. Not a screenshot, not a PDF, not the version opposing counsel forwarded from his laptop. The actual source file with its metadata still intact. Those digital breadcrumbs tell you when a file was created, what device or software touched it, and whether it's been through an editor. California gives you real leverage here. ESI is discoverable, and you can specify the form of production. The evidence code requires authentication of evidence in order for it to be admitted. If you don't do your homework in discovery, however, that hurdle can potentially be cleared through the testimony of the very person who doctored it, without meaningful recourse. Modern evidence hygiene requires attorneys to ask, as to every significant piece of evidence, where did this come from, and can we prove it? This is only going to matter more and more as doctoring evidence gets easier and easier. To stay up to date on all of this, make sure to follow Horst Legal Counsel in this space.